Fix your life the way Jesus taught. Fixing your life does not begin with perfection, success, or outward change. According to Jesus Christ, it begins in the heart. Jesus consistently taught that real transformation starts from within. When a person chooses humility, love, and truth over pride, anger, and fear. He invited people not to become flawless, but to become sincere, repentant, and willing to grow. One of Jesus' core teachings is love. Love for God, love for others, and even love for enemies. This kind of love heals broken relationships, softens hardened hearts, and brings peace where there was conflict. When you choose forgiveness instead of bitterness, you free yourself from emotional burdens that hold your life back. Jesus taught that forgiving others is not weakness, but strength that restores inner peace. Jesus also emphasized honesty and integrity. He encouraged people to live truthfully, not just in words but in actions. Fixing your life the Jesus way means aligning your daily choices with your values, even when it is difficult. It means choosing what is right over what is easy, trusting that obedience leads to lasting peace. Another essential teaching of Jesus is faith. Faith does not remove struggles, but it gives strength to endure them. Jesus taught people to trust God with their worries, reminding them that fear cannot add value to life. When you surrender control and place your trust in God, anxiety loses its grip and clarity begins to grow. Finally, Jesus taught service. A fulfilled life is not built on self-centered ambition, but on serving others with compassion. Helping, giving, and showing kindness bring purpose and meaning that material success cannot provide. Fixing your life the way Jesus taught is a daily journey. It is about progress, not perfection. Choosing love, faith, forgiveness, and service each day, and allowing your life to be shaped by grace and truth. Amen. Please like and subscribe for more.